What's up, everybody? As you can tell, we got computer parts, we got a camera, and we got lights. We're building a PC today, folks. Alrighty, so down here we've got all our parts. We'll do a little. So that's gonna be the PC build. I'm about to take all this shit out of a box. We're gonna put it in that thing. PC day, woohoo! Alright guys, so a couple things before I rip boxes open. I am not a professional. I have made a couple custom PCs, but in no way, shape, or form am a professional at this. Also, just to give you some background, this is a video editing machine, not a gaming machine. So, I have a lot of comments where like, oh my god, you're gonna game? Ah. I wouldn't have got this graphics card if I was gonna fucking game. Alright? But I'll talk through why I got what later in the video, or in a separate video. Who knows? Anyway, let's get that time lapse rolling. Rawr. And we're now back, kind of. So, I don't like the way it looks. So we've got the tripod set up, right? We got the computer built. Kind of. It ain't done. So, being the computer expert that I am, and I told you guys beforehand, I was like, I am not a computer expert. I made the mistake of getting DDR3 memory, and my motherboard only supports DDR4. So, apart from some sticks of memory, this thing is done. I've got them bitches overnighted on Amazon, so they go there. And there. Yeah. So, that's fun. It's a slight pain in the ass to build, but this little part really sucks to get off, but it finally got it working. The time lapse I think is going to be shitty. Because this little guy, this lens, it's a 40 millimeter lens, but it's just too cropped in. The crop sensor is too much. I'll put some of the time lapse in if you guys want to see it, but it's probably going to be garbage. But the good news is, I think what I'm going to do is once the computer gets up and running tomorrow, I'll show you guys that on this video, which will probably come up now. And also, I'm going to get that camera and do like a little cinematic-y shot, I think, maybe. But anyway, guys, that's a new PC. Woohoo! Hopefully we'll have it up and running tomorrow. I've got the garbage bin of death over there. It was just like, put shit in, throw. Put shit in, throw. So, yeah, that's kind of where I am. I've got all these freaking cables around me and books. Got a keyboard and mouse, I got everything. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go get the shit done and wait on Amazon memory. Bye. Am I recording? Oh god, the day I do that, just fucking shoot me. Alrighty, so look, it's a computer with shit in it. And it's got memory. Let's look at it. Fucking get close, bitches. Fucking look at that. It's memory time, woohoo! Alright. So, we've got memory. The whole fucking thing's plugged together. I plugged it all up yesterday. Memory is more of a bloop, plug it in. So, it's that time of truth. I'm going to go put it on the desk, and we're going to see if this motherfucker will turn on and work. I'm terrified. Cut to that shot. Alright, got the power. Got all the shit plugged in. I don't have a helmet on, so you're not going to see my face, but this is that one moment in time as a guy with a computer that things get really scary. You've spent all your time doing everything. Alright. Turning the power on. Sweet God, hold your fingers. Cross them if you can. Okay. I think we can do a test inside of here. I'm unscrewing things. Alright, you can sit there. Plugged in. Yeah. Alright. No lights. Huh. Interesting. No power. Huh. Huh. It is plugged in, right? Okay, it's definitely plugged in. Why is it not powering on? That's not the power, right? I thought that was the power. No, I mean it's turned off, but still, there should be lights like that turn on down there. Hold on, don't push anything. No lights. Oh! Oh, fuck! Okay. Things are on. Fans are going. Let's fucking turn this on. Okay. Alright. I mean, we've got to install the operating system and all, but... Okay. So there's no death beeps. We have lighting and shit. We have airflow. Alright. Yay? Yay, Corsair. Fucking sponsor song. Huh. Goddamn, Chris. Check that shit out. That's fucking fancy. Alright. Things are lit up. Alright, let's install some operating system shit. Alright, so I'm over here, like, looking at the computer, it's all glowing and shit, and I'm like, but nothing's happening with my monitor, what the fuck? And then I'm like, why? That's an HDMI cable. That moment when. Press any key to boot from CD. Yes, what? Windows! Oh my god, it works! Okay. Haha! Yay, custom PC. Okay. All the shit seems to be working. Lots of lights, lots of cool things. Alright, so we're gonna go through the fun process of getting this thing working, because it's not fun at all. Alright, I'll see you in a second, bye. And she's done. What's up, everybody? So, it is the next day with the computer build. I spent yesterday getting all the programs put on it. As you can see, my Adobe suite is now on there. Got a little temp, high definition background, whatever. So, yeah, the computer's now built. Everything's up and running. All the turn-on process went pretty freaking smooth. I was pretty happy about that. And, yeah, it's done. So that's cool. Woohoo! Yeah, I'm gonna try to do a little, like, cinematic-y video thing with the computer and not, like, show it off prettily, if that's a word. I don't know. But anyway, computer's up and running. Things are awesome. I haven't got to rendering or editing or anything, so I don't know how good it is, but it fucking should be. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video, and hopefully I'll be able to do a cinematic one. Anyway, bye, guys. If you guys are wondering any of the specs of the computer, basically all that stuff, I'll do that in a separate video. This is more of a cataloging video of all the, of the whole little process of getting it done. Anyway, stuff's happening.